Oh guys, Taylor has a 52-inch Hunter ceiling fan that got hit at the store last week for making a video. Bye. Sorry to my fucking dad. Anywho, I don't know the model of this fan. But I got hat tap last week for $15. Had everything except for one of the protein parts, so it has the one for life, but it didn't come with the one for fans. So I put these massive ones on there. And a couple of screws were missing, and not the switch housing, but the upper piece to hold the switch housing on was missing. So I had to order a replacement off eBay that was $15. So fits perfectly, matches perfectly. So I was looking for it, I didn't think I'll find one. And then it comes from Hunter milk too, which works. I just don't have it on the fan. I put it on a different fan. Go that touring. It had back capacitor. It worked, but it was super slow. High was like a slow needle. So I put capacitor and it was kicking up, those were good, everything. Yeah, they're tight, but that's just how the Hunter is. But it's always on style. But yeah. Show it to the fucking wife. Alright. I'm not buying this for you. There she is. Fuck the white kid. Camera. Not the fastest in the world, but it's got a good picture. So I actually post rigging my Hunter. I like this Hunter. I'm glad I got it. It was pretty clean, but I got it. I didn't mean clean it. It looks clean now. Let me turn the fans off real quick. Got to close off this one for you. Okay. Alright, watch well, it's got me. It's got a nice look to it. It does blow in well. It's about how high speed was. But I think it might be just a tiny bit faster than what high was. It's all faster than high was, so. It wasn't one of the kind of capacitors where man was faster than high. It was one of those where it just swung at all speeds. But high was still the fastest. So it was definitely a little faster than what was with the big capacitor. So, it's both really good here. It's kind of a slow here, but it's pretty good for 100 meters. I have to say. I have to fucking say. High speed. It doesn't wobble either. But some good one. I didn't have to mess with it. Suppose how good shit this was. And this spreads the air really well. It blows a lot under it too, but it spreads it pretty well. So it can cool down a room, no problem. It's pretty good for like a big basement room. In the basement, it's colder than upstairs, so you don't get too much in. It's good for grandma's house too, because you want a good fan, but I know grandmas don't like too much of it. Shit, this book. Sorry guys, but this blows somewhere out. Fuck, I fucked that. That bum ass crappy. Because I took a shit anyway. Anywho, simple enough. This one's great now to move past the time. I like this fan. Some pretty much says this shift is actually pretty good. Will actually kind of likes it, seems like, which is good. I plan to make fun of you for buying it. No hit on you, Alright, that's how the fuck though I can't really spend on pussies. Be right back, pictures. Hi guys, she stopped. Hopefully you guys weren't waiting too long. Alright guys. Okay. Birds. Oh yeah, I forget. These come off at Flowbay on things. The hubby's working on it. Roast beef. Anger rising every day. Their weapons look a little good in here. It looks good with this room, the walls and the decor. It's a good thing to put in a modern house. Not one of those like witchy ones. Well, maybe, but this is a house like this. Looks good, it's not a cheap piece of junk like most fucking people buy. It's definitely slow, but this is a high-speed version forward. It's definitely slower than this. Full power pushies. Take a medium on time. This one's definitely slower and good shooting before. But give you goddamn. Who the fuck wants you high speed in this? Look like some dumbass. Some real medium. Alright, to a close up. Check crash up of her. Alright, so we have pose on your big in this one. Yeah, don't match anything that this part here don't match. Who gives a goddamn 6 watt daylight over these Junior's favorite light bulb of all time. These do not really have a flicker tone, so that's good. These definitely flicker, some do. There's a shades, the Bushwatch, the Hunter Augusta, great black eyes. The black, symbols, grand, no, that's in good shape. Up here, but it's like a really white blue stove. Yes, it's a weekend. Yoga to me. It's that bang. Forget the tail wheel, but it's from 2012. So whatever watching this, you want to watch was from January 2012. So, there ain't tag you over there. I don't see a tag over there. Yeah, there is a fucking tag. Like, tell you, it's good as you can get with that tag. There's a top of my bucket. It's not pretty tight. So. But yeah. Let's switch. Put back on low. Hopefully enjoying you pussies. Like and subscribe. Bye pussies.